let's do the preparation for that. Take a deep breath in, right where you are. As we prepare for a time of meditation, for a time of reflection, for a time of listening, opening our hearts. I rise in truth. We can say that in our heart, whisper it aloud. I rise in truth. The Christ in me is rising now. So we close our outer eyes and we dive into the inner sanctuary. There's no wrong way to meditate. It's just about quieting the mind and opening the heart. So as thoughts come and go, we simply witness them and move back to the breath. And then we follow the breath as it goes in and out, completely lengthening and deepening. We draw the crown of the head high and roll the shoulders back. Here I am. I am listening. I am available. I am not distracted by my fears, my worries, by outer conditions or circumstances, or by any worldly limitation. I am tethered to the light. I am tethered to love. I am tethered to the breath right here and right now. Sweet Spirit, show me how to walk the path, not worship it. Remind me in every moment of change that it is not the end. It is a beginning. Be in me the knowing that this Easter story is not just tradition. This is transformation. I inhale and exhale into the sacred silence. blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.